Come test drive this 2019 Honda CR-V. It features a continuously variable transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include remote keyless entry, delay-off headlights, a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, and a split-folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.